Everyone, Old Soul Venture here. We just saw an Iowa interstate and we're catching it. We are catching it. Oh. Woohoo! Oh my God!
Look at that. Are you filming?
Yes. Holy.
You get that on film?
Yes, I just got that on film.
Fucking asshole.
No, it's okay. That train has to stop. They gotta stop, otherwise they're gonna ruin. Holy cow.
Wow.
What an idiot.
I wonder if it'd be clear enough to get a license plate off of them or something like that.
No, because I was filming from down here. It's they're stopping.
Stop now. Report a repair.
Do you think you can turn right? Oh, that's a one way. There's no parking. There's a train right there. What an idiot. Oh, come on. God. What? Again. Wonder if Steve's driving. Should hear him talking on the radio about the arm. After yes, pretty cool, but not very cool for the railroad. But once the train's over, park because I want to see the damage, like up close.
I'm surprised it wasn't a Swift driver.
Oh. And if he wanted to stop, he could have.
That fucking Karen in the pickup pulled up next to you, honking at that guy. Go, go.
I have to bleep it. Yeah. I'm smiling because I caught something like unusual, but for the railroad, they're pissed. Doing about 20 maybe 10, probably 10. Do you think he's going all the way to Council Bluffs?
Could be.
Yeah. All right, there's the end. Watch the gates go up.
Or one gate.
Yeah, watch one gate go up.
Yeah, film that gate as it go by. It's broken.
Holy cow. I was said park, but go see the damage. Well, there you have it, folks. There's something unusual and a retard that broke a gate.
Retard semi-driver.
Yep, hauling cars too. So there's the video. Probably the last scene or last. Yeah. This is the last. So have a good one, folks.